Hi guys, in today's video, I have brought you how to install Capcut editing software on your Windows PC. So guys, the first thing you have to do is to open your web browser and search for Capcut download for Windows. It will be easy for you to get this from Microsoft official website. You can also download Capcut software from Microsoft Store. So guys, let's see how to edit your video clip easily with this software. You can click on Import here and add the video clips you want. After that, drag the added video and put it here. In this software, we have been given the facility to zoom in and zoom out the timeline so that it is easy for you to edit. Now I will show you the basic features of this. You can add text here as usual. You can change the font size of the added text here. Here you can add effects to the video clip. If you want to split the video into two parts, you can do it by split here. Also, you can add filters to the video from here. You can change the speed of the video clip here. So guys, let's see the shortcuts that can be used while working in this software. They have given the shortcuts here. Let's see how to export or save the edited video clip. So, the resolution of your video has been given from 480 pixels to 4K. So I think it is a good feature given to editors by this software. Also, you have the ability to set the frame rate from 24 FPS to 60 FPS. So guys, I think this software will be very important for those who find it difficult to use big software like Adobe Premiere Pro, because this software can be easily used on PCs with low requirements. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to the Conca Edits YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you in another important video like this.